Terra 2.0 launches after Luna meltdown, but the reborn crypto is crashing again. What is going to happen with Luna and Luna Classic? I'm not so bullish. I think that the impact on the whole crypto market is going to be shown in the upcoming period, but let's try to find out what is happening now. Is it worth investing? Is it good for trading? Well, let's try to find out. We'll take a look at the chart as well, but chart is not that can help us something because TA doesn't mean a lot in this situation. This is something that we have never seen on the market happening before. We have a legit project that crashed like hell. Welcome to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, the place where you can find out everything you want to know, everything you have to know about your favorite coin and about your favorite token. And that's right, guys. Today we're going to talk about Terra Classic and Terra 2.0. So we have some great articles and we can see how what do people around the world think about, is it good investing or not, what you should do if you are let's say pre-DPEG holder. Well, I think there is nothing you can lose. Maybe it's better to simply hold. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you are pre-DPEG holder, basically you have already lost, maybe you should try simply to hold for now. But let's see what is happening here. After a spectacular crash, Terra is receiving a new lease of life with a Luna rebirth and is already live in exchanges, but it has gotten off to a bad start, as we can see here. So people are, when it comes to cryptocurrencies as well as the stock market, faith and trust is something that means way more than the real utility. Yes, there is a real utility with Terra 2.0. There is no stable coin, but still they have something. The network is still really big. There are so many projects on their ecosystem, but people are not so bullish about Terra anymore. So they try to get to basically get out, to basically take their investment. So personally, I don't think is a good thing to invest right now. Backers of Terra voted to revive the failed cryptocurrency Luna last week, but with one big change. Luna is back without the element that caused the steep fall of the cryptocurrency 2 weeks ago, stablecoin USD. We don't need to repeat that once again. After reaching a peak of $19.53 on Saturday, Luna dropped as low as $4.39 and it's now around $5.20 according to this article, but right now, as we can see here, current price is $7. So for day trading is not so bad. We can talk about Terra Classic and about Terra 2.0, so basically LUNC and Luna, right? So both of them are kind of good for day trading, but for a long-term holding, personally, I'm not so bullish. Take a look at this really interesting article. The collapse of Terra Classic, LUNC, the name of the old Terra chain and token, may come as a shock to many, but quite a number of venture capital firms and backers cashed out before the protocol was attacked. That is something that basically caused people to be suspicious. I mean, this hasn't happened organically, guys. You know that. This can be prepared. I mean, we are not talking about developers. We're not talking about quant. We're talking about big investors in whales, and they have prepared themselves for this. You could see so many articles on YouTube, so many videos on YouTube where people could warn us that this is going to happen. But as you can see here, people were not ready except for some big sharks. So, as reported by CNBC, Pantera Capital, the largest crypto hedge fund in the world by US asset under management, said it made over 100% X from its initial investment of 1.7 million in the project. This implied that the firm cashed out as much as $170 million in Luna holding. The firm's co-chief investment officer, Joe Krug, said as much as 87% of its investment were cashed out between January 2021 and April 2022. What did these guys know? But we don't want to look at the past. We can see what is happening right now. So when you take a look at the chart, situation is not really good. Let's take a look at the last 3 months. You don't need me to tell you that this is really bad, since after that DPEG we had basically increasement in circulating supply, and that is something that caused the price did drop. They're trying to figure out what will be the best solution for Terra 2.0. Terra Classic is basically a dead end, so maybe for some day trading, but for long-term investment, personally, I'm not so bullish. So guys, let me know in the comment what you think about Terra Classic and Terra 2.0, and until next video, please invest smart.